After a quiet weather day on Monday, it's a busy day on Tuesday with a predominantly sunny forecast over the interior, with this coastal low bringing in a hot and humid day along the east coast and a particularly hot day over parts of the Eastern Cape. We're also expecting windy conditions over the southwestern part of the country, particularly in the afternoon, and our futurecast shows that large cold front moving into South Africa's borders, resulting in an overcast day in the southwest with the possibility of rainfall. Now, the South African Weather Service have issued a number of weather alerts for Tuesday. We start off with a warning of gale force winds along the coast between Cape Columbine and Cape Agulhas, with a watch for gale force winds over the southwestern interior. They've also issued a watch for a high fire danger rating over the northwestern interior of the Eastern Cape, with the possibility of runaway fires. And lastly, they've issued a watch for hot, humid and uncomfortable conditions along the coast between East London and Cozy Bay. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with a predominantly dry forecast, except with the cold front bringing in up to a 60% chance of rain over the far southwestern part of the country, with that chance of rainfall decreasing as we head up the west coast. It's a hot day over a large portion of South Africa on Tuesday, with a high of around 30 degrees for Gauteng, Polokwane and Bombela, 33 degrees for Richards Bay and Mahikeng, with maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-30s for Durban and Pietermaritzburg, as well as Kimberley, Bushu and East London. Warm for Port Elizabeth and George at 29 and 28, with a mild day for Sutherland at 22 and a cool forecast for Cape Town at 19 degrees. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see moderate beach conditions from Alexander Bay through to Lambert's Bay, with warm daytime highs and a moderate northerly to northwesterly wind, but with those wind speeds picking up as we head towards Longabon at 40 kilometers per hour. And along the west coast, we have a very small swell of only 1 meter, with wave heights between 1 and 2 feet. Now, here's where that wind picks up along the southwest coast, with the possibility of gale force winds between Cape Columbine and Cape Agulhas, and we're expecting an average swell height of 3 meters, with wave heights between 3 and 6 feet, but with that swell height picking up as that cold front moves through and as the wind picks up as well. Along the south coast, we're expecting good beach conditions with warm daytime highs and a light to moderate westerly to northwesterly wind, and here we have a 1.5 meter swell with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. It'll be a hot and humid Tuesday along the coast between East London and Cozy Bay, with a strong northerly wind for Richards Bay and a moderate northwesterly wind for East London and the Wild Coast. And here we're expecting a 2 meter swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet.